Hello, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be air frying hot dogs. Air frying hot dogs is very, very simple. You just need to take your hot dogs, put them in the air fryer at 400 for 5 to 7 minutes, depending on how well done you want them. Hot dogs are already pre-cooked once they're in the package. I really recommend getting Nathan's all beef hot dogs. I think that Nathan's are the best. Any all beef hot dog is gonna be good. And if you don't care about the quality of your hot dog, you can get any hot dog and that's great. I will say Nathan's are a little bit expensive, but I think it's worth it if you're wanting a really tasty hot dog. So we're gonna put these in the air fryer. I always like to put down some parchment paper or some aluminum foil in my air fryer just to keep it clean. And that's it. It's really, really simple.